What's up, guys? Welcome back to another Robbie Sucks video, and today we're going to be working on the Buick. Check it out!
What are you doing? Welcome back to Robbie Sucks. Alright guys, we are back. Another episode of Robbie Sucks. This time, it's a Buick episode. If you guys remember that 67 Buick Riviera that we're working on, well, Martin's really been working on. The dude's a savant when it comes to the wires. But we're gonna work on this. We're gonna try to get it done today. Get this boat floating down the river. Check it out. Alright Martin, so we've got these aftermarket schematic diagrams. Where'd you pick these up? These are actually super helpful and pretty cool.
So classiccarwiring.com, they pretty much have a wiring diagram for every vehicle. So what we've been working on is we're working on the windows right now.
Yeah.
So I've completed, let's see where we're at. I've completed this circuit for the driver's side door. Now I'm working on this side. So if you see, it'll say up and it'll give you a color, and these are factory colors. We don't have the factory wiring harness in this car anymore. So we're having to make the harness. So as soon as I get this done, then I'll get this one, and then we'll start working on the back windows. Yes, these back windows are electric. So, and then the next thing will be power seat. Yeah, that's what that 300-pound behemoth is.
It's a heavy girl.
Oh, it's a heavy girl, yeah. You better have a strong shoulder when you pull that seat out. This ain't Daddy's bucket seats anymore.
Window test. Let's go. Oh, snaps.
Down! Up! Not too bad for, what, 40-year, 50-year
Yeah.
window?
Yeah, still doing it. Still having it. Nothing but luxury. Yeah. Alright, so right now we're going to go ahead and braid ourselves some wire.
Yep, let's get it done.
Ready?
Yep. A little bit more.
More?
Sweet. Nope, that's it.
Perfect.
Perfect.
Hi-ya!
That way it keeps it nice and tidy. Got all the windows on the front working. So we got that one works. That one over there works. But watch this. This is cool.
Oh!
Get in there.
This boat is still a long way from floating. What is it? That. Anyway, we ended up finding out we needed a new distributor on it, so we ordered one of those. And I'm trying to see. There we go. So we got a new distributor coming. Windows are working. We've done a lot on this. Martin's a savant when it comes to the wiring. It's pretty much all him at this point now. It's above my skill set. I'm still learning. But other than that, you know, this job has turned out to suck. Yeah. It's okay to suck. Just don't give up. We're not going to give up, right?
I ain't giving up.
Yeah, Martin ain't giving up. Rich, Well, Rich has to try first before he can give up. So there's that.
At least I'm trying.
At least he's trying. Like, subscribe, you guys know the deal, and we'll catch you next time on Robbie Sucks.
Boom.
See ya.